In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Fidelity stocks. Buying a stock on Fidelity simply means placing a trade order from your brokerage account, and you can do it on either the mobile app or the website. Start by opening Fidelity and signing in to your brokerage account. Make sure you're in the correct profile if you have multiple accounts with Fidelity, and confirm you're in the brokerage account you plan to use for stock trading. Once you're in, head to the trading area. On the app, you'll see options like Transact or Trade. On desktop, look for the Trade menu. Choose Trade Stocks/ETFs so you're in the right ticket for stock or exchange-traded fund orders. The layout is very similar across mobile and desktop, so the fields you'll fill out will look and behave the same. Now, search for the stock you want. In the symbol field, type the ticker like AAPL, TSLA, or SPY. Take a second to confirm you've got the right symbol, since many companies have similar names. When the correct result appears, tap or click it to load the quote and open the order ticket linked to that symbol. Set the action to buy. This tells Fidelity you want to purchase shares rather than sell. Next, enter your order details. Choose the account you're using if you have more than one. For quantity, you can enter the exact number of shares, or if you prefer to invest a specific dollar amount, switch to dollars when that option is available. Fidelity supports fractional shares, so if a stock is pricey, you can still get exposure with a smaller amount. Pick your order type. A market order is designed to buy immediately at the current available price, which is straightforward but can vary slightly with fast-moving markets. A limit order lets you set the maximum price you're willing to pay. The trade will only execute at your limit price or better, but it may not fill if the market never reaches that level. Then set the time in force. Day keeps the order active until the market closes today, while good till canceled keeps it working beyond today until it's filled or you cancel it, based on Fidelity's policy. Before you commit, select Preview Order. Review the symbol, account quantity or dollar amount, order type, limit price if applicable, and the estimated total. Make sure everything matches your intention. When it looks right, select Place Order to submit. Beginner tip: you can start small. Fidelity allows fractional shares starting from just a few dollars, so you don't need to buy a full share to begin investing.